What's going on, guys? Johnny Trades back with another video, and today I want to talk to you about my 30-day challenge. I have created this challenge to specifically push myself to my potential and my limits by creating healthy daily habits that are going to push me forward to becoming a millionaire. And I might not become a millionaire in 30 days, but as long as I perform these 6 non-negotiables every single day, it's going to start creating the habits that I need to become that millionaire later. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and consider smashing that like button. It really helps me and other people find this channel. So my 30-day challenge, of course, is for December. I have already gone 5, 6, 7 days consistently uploading videos every single day for you guys. Not only am I uploading videos every single day, but I'm also uploading my live streams Monday through Friday for my LTE team, which is the first link in the description if you want to join. It's 100% free, lifetime access. But that is actually number one, to upload videos. And we're talking not just a YouTube short and not a live stream for the team, but specifically an 8-minute to 10-minute video, which is a deep dive into my thoughts, into my life, and basically what it's going to do is it's going to make me better, right? I might not be the best at making videos right now. I might not be the best at editing videos at the moment, but it's going to make me better over time by consistently doing it every single day. And it's going to make my channel grow bigger. I'm going to get more followers, more subscribers. I'm going to get more watch time, more views, more likes. And also it's going to make it easier for me over time to make videos and to edit videos and to put out content. The more you do something, the more you practice, the easier it will actually get. It's all about repetition and practice over time. So that is exactly what I'm going to be doing for this channel and for myself, to push myself forward in growing the YouTube channel. Just by doing this alone, I've already had over 400 hours of watch time in the last 7 days. So if you times that by 4, we're talking about over 1,000 hours of content by the end of the month. Also, I just crossed over, I believe, 20,000 views in a week, guys. In a week. What's that, like 80,000 views in a month? That is going to be insane. I can only imagine making 100,000 views in a single month. And we're pushing the envelope in doing exactly that. Now, we do have just shy of 7,500 subscribers currently. And of course, I want to grow this channel to 10,000 subscribers. And then my next goal is to get to 100,000 subscribers and get that silver play button. I could see it in my head, and I believe I can do it. Number 2, that's going to get me closer to that challenge, or the second thing that I need to do to be consistent on a daily basis, a non-negotiable, I have to do it, is 1 reel on Instagram. Now, this can be between 1 and 3 minutes, but it can actually be really anything. It could be a short from my YouTube channel. It could be just a simple reel talking about stocks or working out or trading or something like that. Now, 1 reel on Instagram is going to do the same thing it does for me on YouTube. It's going to provide content. It's going to provide value. I'm going to grow my Instagram account and following. That way I can push the envelope on the Instagram followers as well. I have a Facebook community of over 72,000 members, and I use this same concept by posting daily to my Facebook group, Facebook community. It's called Investing for Beginners Community. You can join that for free as well, but that provides content every single day, and that's still something I do daily. Okay, so that's a habit that I've created years and years ago. And we are very close to hitting 100,000 members in that private community. And it all starts with these daily habits. So I want my Instagram to get up to, even 100,000 followers as well. Once I get to that 1,000 follower mark, then I will be able to start doing live reels or live videos on Instagram. So that is a goal of mine. And again, it's all about practice and repetition. If I want to be a content creator and I want to be, a good social media influencer, then that is something that I need to do every single day so that way I can practice doing it and providing content. Now, the third thing that's non-negotiable is working out. I need to work out a minimum of 30 minutes every single day. Now, some of you may say that might not be good. I should probably take rest days. But in my opinion, you don't need rest days if you're doing it correctly. I'm not doing full body workouts every single day. I have a 4-day split, and I actually do a whole video talking about that 4-day split. I believe that video was yesterday or the day before. Definitely go check it out. But right now I'm doing a 4-day split. We're doing chest and triceps on one day. So let's just say Monday. And then Tuesday would be back and biceps. Wednesday would be shoulders, which would be day 3. Day 4 would be legs. And then what we're doing, instead of resting on the 5th day, we are actually just starting it all over. So the 5th day will actually be chest and triceps again, day 1. And then the 6th day would be back and bis. The 7th day would be shoulders. And then the 8th day would be legs. So basically I'm hitting my body parts 2 times a week, my muscle groups 2 times a week. And by doing that, I have a solid 3 to 4 days of recovery in between, those chest days, those leg days. And that's something that I'm doing as my step number 3 right here, 30 minutes of working out. And not only is it going to help me to get a little bit more buff, build a little bit more muscle, a little more confidence, but it's also going to create those habits of discipline. Okay, not everyone wants to work out every single day. I don't want to work out every single day, but by doing things that I don't want to do, it's going to actually create disciplines in my life and allow me to expand my mind and create stronger mental and physical habits in my life to become that millionaire over time, to become that social influencer, to become a great content creator, to become a millionaire one day. Those are my goals and my dreams. I don't know if you could tell I'm a little red, I'm a little pumped, but I just worked out right now. I did shoulder, so my shoulders are popping out and I'm getting some gains here. So it's all about consistency. Now, the fourth thing that I'm doing every single day is visualization and affirmations. And I do strongly believe in these. I was doing them before about a year or 2 ago, and I was literally getting everything I ever wanted in my life by thinking about what I wanted, writing it down, visualizing it, and affirming to those visualizations. So a few that I have right now for affirmations is I tell myself, I am successful, I am patient, I am disciplined, I am a great trader, I am a great content creator, I can do anything, I can achieve my dreams. And by saying those to myself, if I can 100 times a day throughout the day, and then visualizing, seeing my dreams, when I'm saying I'm a great content creator, I'm visualizing myself editing a video and seeing it go to 10,000 views in that video, 100,000 views in that video. I'm seeing my YouTube channel grow every day with subscribers. I'm seeing myself count $100,000 sitting in a Lambo. Right? It's gonna happen. You visualize it, you create those affirmations, and you go toward your dreams. And that's exactly what I'm doing here. I can see myself growing my trading account. I could see myself getting in at the right time, buying, and then it going up and selling at a point that makes me money. I can feel it. I can smell the money in my hand. And by the more you can feel it, the more you can visualize it, the more you can have all those feelings, it will become a reality. Because one thing I know is your mind cannot distinguish between what's real and what's fake, what you tell yourself and what reality is. So if you tell yourself you're good looking, or if you tell yourself you're ugly, your mind and your reality will begin to believe it. Okay, so it's very important to be careful of what you say to yourself every single day. Always positive, never negative. And then finally, the fifth thing would be following my trade plan. Every day I have a trade plan. I need to trade above certain moving averages. I need to trade at certain support levels. I cannot take a trade if those setups aren't there. I need to make sure that I have a good risk to reward. I'm not going to be risking $5, or let's just say I'm not going to be risking $50 to make $5. It's the other way around. I'm going to risk $5 to make $50. $10 to make $100. And eventually, maybe I'll be risking more, risking $100 to make $1,000. But by starting out small and following my trade plan, I will be able to become a more profitable trader more consistently over time. And the sixth and final thing that I am doing for this 30-day challenge, not just in December, but just as a 30-day challenge in general, and maybe leading on to the rest of my life, 60 days, 90 days, 300 days, is selling my service, promoting my service to you all. I just did it without even noticing at the beginning of this video, talking about my Learn to Earn team in the Discord. That is a free service right now because we are below 1,000 members. We have roughly close to 700 members, so there's about 300 spots left. 100% free, lifetime access. But once we cross over that 1,000 members, I will probably start charging for all this value and all this content that I'm putting out to our LTE members on the Discord. Now, if you want to join, it's the first link in the description below. You get lifetime access, and it is 100% free if you get in under that 1,000 member mark. But right now, these habits are creating a system. This system is going to create results, and these results are going to lead me to the goals that I have set out for myself. I have goals on my phone right here. I look at them every single day. I even have my plan here, actually like the challenge itself right here, and it's something that I look at every single day. It's something that I'm passionate about. It's something that I want to achieve. I want to have 10,000 LTE members. I want to provide knowledge, and I want you guys to start being successful in your trading journey as well. After all, this is what this whole channel is built around, is trading and making money in the stock market. And finally, guys, I want to end you with this, okay? I want to end you with this quote that I told myself. There's no reason you need or I need to chase fancy cars or have fancy houses to become financially free. The real flex is literally having no bills, having no debt, and creating the life of freedom. Okay? Don't chase objects, chase healthy lifestyles, habits, and freedom. I literally have that in my notes as well. I look at it every day. I'm not trying to chase a Lambo just because it's going to be debt or because it's going to be expensive. I'm not chasing fancy homes and getting into debt and being house rich or house poor, whatever you want to call it. I'm setting myself up to where I will have zero bills. The most bills I'll have is utilities, right? No rent, no mortgage, literally paying taxes on my property, a cheap property at that, not having any car loans, owning it all out cash, not having any other debt like credit card debt or student loan debt, and being able to chase freedom, chase time. I want to be able to spend 40 hours a week not having to work, not having to pay bills, not having to stress about how I'm going to, pay the next bill or eat my next meal. And that's where the true freedom comes. And with that said, we just hit 13 minutes, just like that. I appreciate you guys' time. I trade live every single morning at market open, and the only ones that can watch me trade live are those LTE members. First link in the description below. Get in while you can. And there you have it. Those are my 6 non-negotiables, my 6 daily habits that I have to do every single day. You saw me promote my services, and that's exactly it. Promoting it on YouTube, promoting it on Instagram, promoting it in my Facebook community. We have close to 100,000 people surrounding all of this that I have created. That's amazing. And I know I can push it to 1 million people in the next 2 years, 5 years, 10 years, however long it takes. But I know with these daily habits, I'm going to be able to get there. And those are the daily habits that are going to lead me to success. The next 30 days is literally going to change my life. And if you create your goals and then create habits and systems, you too can achieve your goals. Thanks for watching, and you guys have a great day.